How to eat basil seeds for weight loss. Basil seeds are rich in fiber, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Incorporating them into your diet can aid in weight loss due to their ability to promote satiety, regulate blood sugar levels, and enhance digestion. Here are some ways to consume basil seeds for weight loss. 1. Basil seed water. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of basil seeds in a glass of water. Stir well and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until the seeds form a gel-like consistency. Consume this drink before meals to help reduce appetite and prevent overeating. 2. Basil seed pudding. Combine a quarter cup of basil seeds with 1 cup of milk, dairy or plant-based, in a jar or bowl. Add a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and flavoring such as vanilla extract or cocoa powder if desired. Mix well and refrigerate overnight or for at least a few hours until it thickens into a pudding-like texture. Top with fruits or nuts for added nutrients and flavor. 3. Basil seeds in smoothies. Blend your favorite fruits, vegetables, and a liquid base, like water, almond milk, or yogurt. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of basil seeds into the blender and blend until smooth. Enjoy the nutrient-rich smoothie as a meal replacement or snack. 4. Basil seeds in yogurt or oatmeal. Sprinkle a tablespoon of basil seeds onto your yogurt or oatmeal for added texture and nutritional value. Allow them to soak for a few minutes before consuming to improve digestibility. 5. Basil seed sprinkles. Sprinkle basil seeds onto salads, soups, or stir-fries for a crunchy texture and an extra nutritional boost. Important tips. Stay hydrated. Basil seeds absorb water and expand in your stomach, so it's crucial to consume them with plenty of fluids to prevent dehydration. Portion control. While basil seeds are nutritious, they are also calorie-dense. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid excessive calorie intake. Be consistent. Incorporate basil seeds regularly into your diet to experience their benefits for weight loss gradually. Caution. If you have certain health conditions or are on medication, consult a healthcare professional before significantly altering your diet to include basil seeds. Excessive consumption without adequate fluid intake could potentially cause digestive issues. Incorporating basil seeds into your meals can be a beneficial addition to support your weight loss journey, but remember, a balanced diet and regular exercise are key components for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight.